Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this, chances are you're looking for ways to get some free money or bonuses on Cash App. Today we're covering everything about Cash App promo codes, how to find the ones that actually work, exactly how to use them step by step, what bonuses are live right now, and all the smart tips to help you maximize your rewards while avoiding scams. This is going to be the most complete guide you've seen, so stick with me until the end because I have some real examples and practical advice you won't want to miss. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss future money updates. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's talk about why promo codes and bonuses are still a big deal in 2026. Cash App has grown way beyond just sending money. It's now a complete financial app with investing, savings, borrowing, and more. Promo codes are how Cash App rewards both new and existing users for signing up, linking accounts, sending money, or trying new features. The classic offer is still around $5 for new users who sign up with a referral code and then send at least $5 within 14 days. But there are bigger opportunities if you know where to look. Boosted referral offers, seasonal promotions, in-app boosts, and special challenges. Cash App runs these because they want more people actively using the platform for sending, spending, and investing. With so many fintech apps competing these days, these promos help them stand out. Just keep in mind that not every code you see online works. A lot of them are expired, or worse, complete scams promising hundreds of dollars instantly. We're going to separate the real ones from the fakes in this video. Now let's break down the main types of Cash App promo codes and offers you'll see. First up are referral codes. These are still the most reliable. When a new person signs up using your code, both of you can get a bonus, usually $5 each once a new user sends $5 or more. You'll see codes like the ones shared on trusted sites and communities. Then there are straight sign-up bonuses. These are often connected to referrals. You download the app, enter the code in the right place, link a debit card or bank account, and complete the requirements. You'll also find in-app promos and boosts. These aren't always entered as codes, but show up as offers you can activate inside the app. Things like extra cashback when you shop, higher interest rates on savings when you set up direct deposit, or limited time rewards. There are also community and event codes that pop up during holidays, big sports events, or brand partnerships. And finally, some codes give you discounts on sends or special boosts for your cash card. Remember, offers can be different depending on where you live, so always check what's available directly in your app. So, where exactly do you find working Cash App promo codes? Here are the best methods that actually deliver results. Start with the easiest one, inside the app itself. Open Cash App, tap your profile picture in the top right, then scroll down to promos and invites. This is the official spot where you enter codes and where Cash App shows you active offers. Check this section regularly because new promos appear here first. Next, get referral links from people you trust, friends, family, or creators you follow. You can also check reputable coupon websites, but always look at the verification dates. Reddit communities like r/Cash App and recent YouTube videos with screen recordings are also good places, but read the latest comments to confirm what's working. Social media is another spot. Search TikTok, X, or Instagram for Cash App Promo 2026 or Cash App Referral Today. Look for videos that actually show the bonus hitting the account in real time. Be careful with random links though. Don't forget to check the official Cash App website and Help Center for guidelines. And if you're signed up for their emails or push notifications, you'll sometimes get exclusive codes sent directly to you. Here's a quick pro tip. Test codes when possible or ask a friend to try them, but never share your login details. And most importantly, stay away from any website or video promising $500 free Cash App money or some kind of generator tool. Those are almost always scams. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Never pay money up front to claim a bonus, and never enter your personal banking info on sketchy sites. Alright, let's go through the exact steps so you don't miss anything. This is the part where I want you to follow along if you have the app open. Step 1. Make sure you have the latest version of Cash App downloaded from the official App Store or Google Play. Step 2. Sign up using your phone number or email and complete the verification. Step 3. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Step 4. Scroll down until you see promos and invites. Step 5. Tap the option to enter a code and carefully paste or type in the promo or referral code. Step 6. Follow any extra prompts like confirming your email. Step 7. Complete the requirements. This usually means linking a debit card or bank account and sending at least $5 to another Cash App user. Try to do this within the 14-day window. Step 8. Wait for the bonus. Most of the time it appears within minutes to a couple of days once you've qualified. A few common mistakes people make: entering the code in the wrong place, forgetting to link a payment method, sending less than the required amount, or trying to use a VPN that triggers fraud flags on your account. If you're already an existing user, your own referral code is in that same promo section. You can share it as a link like cash.app/app/your code and start inviting friends for mutual bonuses. Want to go beyond the basic $5? Here are some advanced tips to help you get more value in 2026. Try stacking multiple offers when possible. Combine a referral bonus with in-app boosts and cash card rewards. Setting up direct deposit can unlock higher savings rates and sometimes extra promotional bonuses. Make it a habit to check the promos section every week so you don't miss limited challenges. Referring multiple people consistently can add up nicely, though Cash App does have fair limits to prevent abuse. Keep an eye out for seasonal promotions around holidays, back to school time, or major events, because those often come with higher reward amounts. Using your cash card at partner stores can also trigger extra cashback boosts. Some users even explore small investments in Bitcoin or stocks inside the app because occasional promos reward activity there too. I've seen real stories from people who signed up with a friend's code, sent the minimum $5, claimed their bonus, then referred a few co-workers and made an extra $15 or $20. It works when you follow the rules and stay consistent. Before we wrap up, let's quickly cover some frequently asked questions. Do promo codes expire? Yes, many of them are time sensitive, so use them as soon as you find a good one. Can you use multiple codes on one account? Usually you can only have one primary referral, but you can still take advantage of other in-app offers. What should you do if the bonus doesn't show up? Double check that you met all the requirements, then reach out to Cash App support directly through the app. Is Cash App safe? Yes, as long as you use a strong PIN, enable biometric login, and never share your details. Does it work outside the United States? Availability is more limited internationally, so check the app in your country to see what's offered. If you still have questions after watching, drop them in the comments below and I'll try to answer as many as possible. There you have it, your complete guide to Cash App promo codes. The most important things to remember are to only use legitimate sources, follow every step carefully, and always stay alert against scams. If this video helped you claim a bonus or find a working code, let me know in the comments. Feel free to share your results and even drop your referral code responsibly if you want others to use it. Please give this video a thumbs up if it was useful, subscribe for more practical money tips, and check the description for helpful links and current examples. Just remember to always verify the latest offers inside your own Cash App because things can change quickly. Thanks so much for watching. Stay smart with your money and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.